Obviously, the price of turbo has been going up for the past 2 months, and obviously we're going to receive, or rather experience, a little bit of a retracement, which is absolutely normal. Take a look at this. For the past 30 days, right, the price of turbo has gone up by about 75%. The past 14 days we are up by about 86.3%. So obviously having a little bit of a retracement is something which is going to be healthy for the markets, in order for the markets to continue going up higher. Of course, in the next coming 6 months, right? Obviously, Turbo is going to do another, 10x or even more. So I am absolutely bullish when it comes to the price of Turbo, but you have to understand that the markets are made up of cycles, and in order for the price to go further higher, there has to be an equilibrium when it comes to the supply and the demand, and when it comes to filling up the imbalances. And moreover, we have a lot of areas that have got, some sort of point of control as far as the levels are concerned. So this is one of the reasons why I have these green lines of support, and in order for us to continue higher, we have to retest and see whether the point of supply, or rather the point of control, is going to be holding in order for us to continue going further up higher. Moreover, there's a probability that the price of Bitcoin is going to drop to about 67 or even 65,000 US dollars per BTC. If that happens, obviously Turbo is definitely going to end up dropping. So why do I really think that there's going to be a retracement coming through as far as Turbo is concerned? So it's all about the anchored VWAP right over here, the anchored volume profile. If we take a look at it from here, right, we are obviously seeing that there was a lot of buying and selling that was done right over here. A lot of contracts were exchanged between the buyers and the sellers. And if you take a look at the current price action right now, right, we can clearly see that the people that won this particular trade-off right over here were obviously the bears. Of course, we could end up pushing up and going to sort of have a retracement towards the bearish order block in order for us to cement this particular downturn, right? So if you take a look at this right over here is the bearish order block that I am talking about, and this is one of the reasons why this level is going to be a very significant level to watch out for in the near future. However, if you take a look at the price action that we recently had, right, this price action right over here already shows us a rejection off of this, bearish order block right over here. So this is one of the reasons why I really believe that we're going to see some more downside towards the, lower levels as far as the price is concerned. And our next level, which is going to be coming through and retested, is this, contract right over here, slightly below 1 cent. So 0.8 of a cent is definitely going to be a very good level of support. So this is one of the reasons why I'm actually urging people who really made a lot of money trading Turbo in the past 2 months to sort of, secure your profits right now, because we're obviously going to see a little bit of a retracement and then a push towards the upside. Okay, so that's all I had, and let's check out if these levels are going to happen. Of course, if you take a look at the smaller time frames, right, maybe we're going to see the price sort of push from here and attempt to reclaim this bearish order block right over here. So these order blocks are going to be very significant. So if this happens, right, if this scenario happens, best believe getting out at 0.01125, this level right over here, before we got rejected violently right over here, would be a very good smart thing to do. So in case we end up being rejected here, then this is even going to be more bearish. So do you see this level right over here? Close to about 0.0107. So this level here could be a major resistance level. So as far as Turbo Coin is concerned, I'm expecting a little bit of a downside. Moreover, if you take a look at the daily time frame, obviously it's pretty clear to see that we are losing momentum on the daily time frame. As you can see, we have a very bearish predecessing candle right over here. This is an upside down hammer, which is a very bearish candle. So I'm sure you guys that do technical analysis on the candle closing and the bodies, you already know what I'm talking about. So I really believe that we're going to see a retracement. Moreover, if this happens, right, we obviously had a very good run up right over here, obviously picking a 38.2% fib level of this particular retracement, which falls around this level right over here. It's going to be a very good trade for us to sort of get back into the game and anticipating some more room towards the upside. In 2017, I warned you. I told you that the price of BNB was going to do more than 100x. Price of BNB was only $2.66. Personally, I invested in Binance when it was around 30 cents to about 60 cents. Now take a look at the current price of BNB as it stands 7 years later. The current price is $598, almost $600. So I told you back in the day that this one was a winner. Take a look at the market cap of BNB back in the day. It was around 266 million US dollars. If you do not believe me, go to my YouTube channel, find this video and watch and listen to the conviction that I had, because I knew exactly what I was talking about. This comment is obviously 7 years ago, and this one was saying in 3 weeks from now you will be laughing at this price. Thank you for the foreshadowing. All right. Now, this is a very interesting comment. If you do not buy now, you will lose out. I bought when it was 28 cents and it was never dipping that much. So take a look at this. Megascan did follow my advice. He bought at around 28 cents and his life was obviously amazing. It has been amazing, and obviously his life was changed due to the fact that I recommended. What the hell was I doing in 2017? How come I didn't buy 50,000 BNB? We have another example of somebody who didn't take my advice, right? So he was saying stop hyping things too much and then saying we should not take this as investment advice. Two faces. Well, I guess he didn't get to invest in it. And yeah, take a look at this. 2 years ago, somebody said, how sad now, ha 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 ha. So everybody was pretty much laughing at him. So ladies and gentlemen, just like I told you, right, I know how to pick some very good projects, and I know what I'm talking about because I've been trading for a very long period of time. And this is one of the reasons why I want you to join my cryptocurrency trading group right now. You know, you need to be part of my trading group because we are definitely going to be finding and trading the best cryptocurrencies, and we're going to be making around 200% per month. Why do I say 200%? Because we have the capability of making about 10% per day. 10% per day in 31 days is definitely over 200% per month, conservatively, guaranteed. The other important thing about our trading group is we understand the meme culture. We understand how to deploy projects on pump.fun. A lot of you guys have been hearing about how people are making millions investing in cryptocurrency meme coins. Do you know that it's not really by chance that those guys are making millions? They have a system. They get in projects early, before these projects are even more than 5,000 US dollars as the market cap. By the time you guys are getting to invest in a lot of meme coins when they're about 70 million US dollars, guaranteed, a lot of people have already made millions of dollars. So this is one of the reasons why we invest in cryptocurrency meme projects under 5,000 US dollars as their market cap. This is one of the reasons why you definitely need to be part of a community that has got people who've got buying power, who've got the technical know-how, and who understand these things. Lastly, we also have trading consultations and tutorials. So let's say, for example, you're an absolute beginner, you don't know anything about trading. We do have those one-to-one video consultations, tutorials, etc. So the most interesting part about all this is it's only 500 US dollars, and you only pay this one time. It's a lifetime fee as long as I'm alive, right? This is the only money that you're going to be paying. Let's say, for example, you have a $1,000 account, right? And you pay the 500 US dollars. Did you know that if you are even remaining with $500, by the end of the month, you're going to end up making 2,500, which is absolutely worth it. This is a very fair price, and due to our expertise, our team, and our dedication, $500 is absolutely nothing. So this is one of the reasons why you have to take action right now. Do not be like these guys who sort of didn't really get to believe in me when I was talking about buying Binance coin in 2017, 7 years ago. A lot of these people missed grand opportunities. So this is one of the reasons why you have to be part of an amazing trading group, amazing people, and just basically bump your portfolio to new heights. So in case you want to be part of this amazing group of ours, all you got to do is email me. This is the email, 2019nextapp@gmail.com. Remember, the fee is only $500. It's a one-time, lifetime fee. Let's make this money.